I am so happy today because I can make a video lesson for my students. But I was unhappy yesterday because I couldn't make a video. Hi everybody. Today we are going to study the past simple of the verb be. Past simple of be. Okay. Alright. So, be in the past has was and were. Alright. So the past simple of be has was and were. Was and were. Alright. I was. You were. We were. They were. He was. She was. It was. Okay? I was, you were, we were, they were, he was, she was, it was. My student was. My students were. Okay? Alright, now we make some sentences. I was sick yesterday. Okay. I was sick yesterday. Why didn't you come to school yesterday? Teacher, I was sick yesterday. I'm sorry. Okay, it's okay. Alright. You were, we were, they were. At home. Last night. Okay. We were at home last night. You were at home last night. They were at home last night. He was, she was. She was, he was. Unhappy. He was unhappy. She was unhappy. He was unhappy because she was unhappy. It was so dark. It was so dark. So I turned the light on. Okay? When it is dark, you can't see anything. Okay? It's blind. My students were absent. last week. Okay. My student was absent. My students were absent. All right. So these are the sentences, okay, with past simple of be. Right? Okay. So these are the positive sentences. Okay, positive sentences. These sentences are in the positive form. So how do you make them become negative? It's easy. You just add not. Okay? Not. I was sick yesterday. I wasn't sick yesterday. Wasn't. Was not. Okay, I was not sick yesterday. You were. We were. They were. So you want to make them negative? Just add not. Okay. He was. She was. You want to make them negative? Just add not. Alright. The same here. Right. Just add not after the verb to be, after was and were. Was not and were not, you can make them shorter. So was not. Alright, was not become wasn't, were not becomes weren't. Okay, so was not, wasn't, the same. Okay, were not, weren't. Right, so wasn't is the short form of was not. Weren't is the short form of were not. Okay, remember? Alright, now it's easy, right? So everyone, we are going to complete these sentences with was, wasn't, were, and weren't. Okay, remember? Was, wasn't, were, and weren't. Alright, last week I was at home because my dog was sick. My friends were okay. At school, they weren't absent, but the teacher wasn't happy because my friends were noisy. Noisy means they make a lot of noise. They made a lot of noise. My teacher angry with them. Was angry with them. Okay? Last week I was at home because my dog was sick. My friends were at school. They were absent. But the teacher wasn't happy because my friends were noisy. My teacher was angry with them. Alright? Now you guys know how to use was and were. Was and were are the past simple of be. Right? Remember, the past simple of be has got 3 words. No, 2 words only. Alright. So past simple of be has got towards. Was and were. Okay? I hope you are happy. And I am so happy. Alright everyone, thank you so much for watching. This is the end of our lesson today. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to click like, subscribe, and click the bell to get more video from my channel. Thank you so much everyone. See you soon. Bye bye.